Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to access Coinbase Wallet. Accessing your Coinbase Wallet involves setting up the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. So here's how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search field, type in Coinbase Wallet. Look for this application where it says Coinbase Wallet, NFTs and Crypto. Click on the download or the get button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button. From the first interface of Coinbase Wallet, you have two options to begin. If you don't have a wallet yet, you can click on create new wallet and follow through the prompts to set up a new wallet. Make sure you securely back up your 12-word recovery phrases as well. To import an existing wallet, click on I already have a wallet at the bottom. Either use iCloud for backup or enter manually by choosing Enter Recovery Phrases. Type in your recovery phrases or paste it in from the backup that you previously stored. After entering your backup phrases in the correct order, click on I agree at the bottom and click Continue. And there you have successfully imported or accessed your existing Coinbase wallet. You can now view your wallet's balance, manage your cryptocurrencies, and perform transactions within the app. So that's how you can easily access your Coinbase wallet account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.